Hi there, my name is Josh. I'm one of the energy assessors here at ATSPACE, and the question that I've been asked to answer today is what actually takes place during an energy statement. So over the next minute and a half, we're going to do a bit of a walkthrough to tell you exactly what it entails. So step one is we need to do SAP calculations. And this is to work out what the designed performance of the building is going to be before we start looking at how we're going to reduce it. We would then log this information in our energy statement, saying what values the wall, floor and roof build-ups have achieved, what type of heating system it's been modelled by, and then also other details about what the designed air tightness score is. After this, we would then refer to the planning condition that we have to sign off. So this may be a 19 or a 20% reduction in CO2 emissions. After this, the first thing we do is we look at optimizing the fabric of the building. So is there anywhere in this building we can increase levels of insulation or increase quality of insulation as well? After we start looking at the fabric of the building, we'll be looking at low zero carbon technologies. So what form of renewable technologies would be suitable in this building? Can we use air or ground source heat pumps? Can we look at using wind turbines? Can we use CHP, which is combined heat and power? And what that is, it's a boiler that also generates a surplus of electricity as well. Can we install solar panels? Can we install solar hot water? Not all properties are suited for certain renewable technologies. So what we do is we identify what can be fitted to the property, and then we will demonstrate by carrying out an additional SAP calculation what reduction has been achieved by implementing said renewable technology. And the end goal is that if you're required to achieve a 20% reduction in CO2 emissions, we achieve that by the end of the energy statement. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like me to answer any more of your questions, please visit the Knowledge Hub and remember to like and subscribe.